YouTube channel. Today we will solve cube root of unity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content. Cube root of unity. X is equals to 1 raised to power 1 by 3. Cube root 3, or you can write power 3. And unity means 1. So now what we will do, you are going to solve it and you are going to find the cube root of unity, means cube root of 1. So you will write taking cube on both sides. You will write here x cube, or you can write here also cube root. Both can be correct. This you will write, and 1 raised to power 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 3. So x cube 3 cancel 1 1. So answer is 1. So what you will do, 1 is having the sign plus here. We move to the other side of the equal, that will become x cube minus 1 equals to 0, because on the equal side nothing is left, so that we will write 0. Then now you know that a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is a formula, and accordingly you will write here x cube minus 1 cube equals to 0, and then you will write x minus 1 and x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. So now solve them and find the answer. X is equals to 1, or either you can write x minus 1 is equals to 0 and x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0 and x is equals to 1. Now what you will do, you know that it cannot be solved by factorization, that will be solved by quadratic formula. So simply a is equals to 1, b is equals to 1 and c is equals to 1. So now x is equals to minus b, then you will write here plus minus b square minus 4ac under root divided by 2a, like this. Now you are going to simply write x is equals to minus b minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 4ac, 4 1, and simply you can write here also. Then you write here 2a. X is equals to minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 4 divided by 2. Next what you will do, x is equals to minus 1 plus minus 3 divided by 2a. So now you have got the cube root of unity, that is 1 and minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3. Now what you will do, simply you will say that your answer will, or you are going to donate with the different spherical values. Just see, if you just see here, you have got 3 cube roots, 1 minus 1 plus iota under root 3 by 2 minus 1 minus iota under root 3 by 2. You will represent minus 1 plus iota under root 3 by 2 by omega. W you can write here, and then omega square minus 1 minus iota under root 3 by 2 omega. So this is the method to find the cube root of unity. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel to get new innovative content.